In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Jotform to Wix. To get started, head over to your Jotform account and sign in. Once you're in, either create a brand new form or open one you've already made. This part is important because the form needs to be fully set up before you bring it into Wix. Take a moment to customize it the way you want, whether that means adjusting the fields, updating the design, or making sure the questions and layout match your website. When everything looks good, click Publish. From there, you'll move into the Embed section. Inside the Publish area, select Embed. Jotform will give you a few different ways to place your form on another website, and one of the most common options is iframe embed. You can choose that or another embed option if you prefer, depending on how you want the form to display. Once you've selected the embed method you want to use, click Copy Code. This copies the code you'll paste into Wix in the next part of the process. Now switch over to your Wix account and log in. Open your site in the Wix editor, then go to the specific page where you want the Jotform form to appear. This could be a contact page, registration page, booking page, or anywhere else it makes sense for your visitors. Next, click Add Elements, which is the plus icon in Wix. From there, select Embed Code and then choose Embed HTML. Wix will place an HTML embed element on the page, and you can drag it into the exact position where you want your form to live. Once it's in place, click Enter Code. Paste in the Jotform embed code you copied earlier, and then click Update. At this point, your form should appear inside the HTML block on the page. If it doesn't look quite right away, that's normal. The next step is to resize the embedded form so it fits neatly within your layout. You can adjust the width and height of the embed element to give the form enough space and help it look clean and professional. After resizing, preview the page to make sure the form displays correctly and functions as expected. This is a good time to check spacing, alignment, and overall appearance before making the page live. If everything looks good, click Publish in Wix to save your changes and make the form available on your live website. And that's it. You've successfully added a Jotform form to your Wix site.